Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back with just a really quick little share, and I see everybody with their sewing machine and they do the crinkled paper and then sew over it. Well, I don't have a sewing machine, but I do like the look that it gives, and so I've folded the paper and just glued it instead. I really do like that thread going through, so I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, but yeah, this is what my little share is. And so it's just, I had scrap paper and messing around, and that's how I came up with it. But really, it's like how you would put it in the sewing machine, how they were gonna sew it. So it's just the same way, like that. And that's it. So, I don't know. I think they'll look better because you back them anyway and cover it up, so it's not like people will see it so much. I'm going to use them for embellishments. But I just thought, oh, let me try this. This might be a good way for me to use up my scraps. And as you can see, I just add glue on the inside of those and press firmly. And once I think I can let go, then I go do the other side, and I'm just putting it in the valleys, peaks and valleys. Do you refer to them as that? But yeah, so this is how I've been making them since I can't sew them. And so they would just look like that, I could make bag toppers or whatever, embellishments. So yeah, hope you like my little quick share. I've made a few of them. And even tinier ones, so I think they'd be good on embellishments. But yeah, hope you guys are having a crafty day, and until the next video, shakas!